Thank you so much for joining me here
Hello.
today for this beautiful testimonial. Now, I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, why did you go solar?
Well, I went solar. I felt the need that I needed to go solar. I was, during the summer, I was spending $300 to $400 a month on electricity, and I knew it wasn't going to get better, especially with inflation kicking in and all that. I knew it was just going to get worse. So I felt kind of a need to jump in and learn it. At first, it was an urge, and then I began to study and learn it. All the little factors, and I looked up on the web, all these things, and then I came about green home systems. So they didn't come to me. I found them and I went to them. That's how I like to do things.
That's perfect. So, how would you say your solar experience has been so far?
It's been great. I love Daniel Ginsberg. He's my salesperson, and actually, since I found him, and he was really nice, and he wasn't out to sell me. He was more. He said, "Look, you don't have to buy from me," and but he was very informative, and whatever I asked him, and I was hungry for information. He gave me a bunch of specifications and all that. I wanted to do all the equipment I got to learn before I made my purchase, and I knew I wanted to buy it. I wasn't going to rent it or do anything like that.
Right. That's
So,
great to
but
hear.
yeah, he was nice, and I just liked him, so I went with him.
Perfect. Perfect. So, saying that, would you recommend anyone to go with green home systems?
I would. They're good. They'll negotiate and they'll be informative, and you can get other estimates, but I went with them. They did what I asked. They gave me, uh, they conceded on the price. They went down. They gave me free panels just to sweeten the deal. I went for it.
That's perfect. Well, thank you,
Okay.
Jack. I really appreciate your time today, and I think you did an amazing testimonial.
You're welcome.
Thank
Okay.
you.